Hey everybody, and welcome to my channel. So you want to learn how to remove Facebook friends safely? Then you definitely want to stick around all the way to the end of this video as I walk you through how to do this safely. All right, guys, so let's jump into it. Now, my name is Zipporah Banier. I'm a social media marketing strategist and coach. And the tool today that we're going to be talking about is actually a Chrome extension. So I'm going to be sharing my screen. Let me go ahead and do that now. Okay, so it's going to look like this. It's called LOC. Some of you may be familiar with this. I did a previous video a couple months back, but I just want to go ahead and show you from start to finish. Like if you type in multiple tools for Facebook up here and hit enter into Google, it's going to actually pull up all of this stuff. And you're like, what the heck am I supposed to click onto, right? Okay, so you want to go to the actual Chrome extension. It's an extension. So click on the multiple tools for Facebook, Softonic. All right, once that pulls up, you'll be able to actually download it to your Windows, and it's going to create an extension. Excuse me, let me move that. It's going to create an extension that looks like this as I have up here in my taskbar, my status bar, and you'll be able to click on that to get to it. All right, so I wanted to show you guys how to get into it. Now it is free. It does have some more features if you donate. And there is a premium account as well if that's something you're interested in. But I just wanted to kind of come over here and show you some of the tools that are available with this tool. Okay, I've been using this now, I think, I want to say about 2 years now, and it's been good for me. I don't use it often enough. Now, if you're trying to figure out when is a good time to actually need this tool, if you're someone who's utilizing social media marketing to generate leads, you want to continue to have a fresh pipeline of new eyeballs onto your offers, onto your opportunities. So in that case, it would be beneficial to use it. So if you see you have a lot of people that are maybe engaging, but not a lot of people that are opting into things, then you want to periodically change this. And then that varies from person to person. Some people do it weekly, some people do it monthly, some people do it, quarterly. So it's really up to you depending on how you use it and how often you need to use it. But the main thing that you need to understand and be the most clear about is, as you can see, think twice before removing anyone because you can become blocked from this, is you want to make sure that you're not doing like 2,000 people at a time. Okay, that's going to raise a red flag to the algorithm within Facebook, or they're going to be looking like, what the heck's going on? It's a scam account. They're going to block you. So be smart about it, be strategic about it, and understand how to use the tool. Okay, so that's why I'm doing this video. All right, so these are some of the tools. You can check in on friend requests and you'll be able to accept multiple friend requests at a time. Okay, I don't know if you guys have had to do it one by one. It's slow, it's a pain in the butt. So you'll be able to see who your incoming friend requests are. I'll just go ahead and click on that. And it's going to pull it up for me, and then I can maybe go through and accept them all at the same time, or decline them or remove them all at the same time. So I'll see outgoing as well, but we want to focus today on the friends remover tool aspect because that's what we're talking about. We're talking about how do you actually remove these friends, and it's going to take a while to fetch this data depending on how many friends that you have. I think I've got about 4,400, 4,500 friends. So give it some time to let the system do what it does as it gathers all the information for you. Okay. Now, also, once you do connect this the first time around, you will need to connect your Facebook account, obviously, so that it can pick up on the information. So we're going to go ahead and give this some time to do what it. All right, guys. So it took a while. Okay, so be patient with it. Like once it does, it scan and it reloads and all that good stuff. Go ahead and make sure to walk off, go get a drink of water or something. Okay, so it's very important to do this also because a lot of times people deactivate their accounts. There's accounts that are closed down and you don't know it, especially when you have like 4,000 friends. So this is going to help you to be able to see this. So this has been like blocked for Facebook, like for whatever reason. So this is some people that I would definitely be deleting. You can get to however many pages there are by hitting to the next. But I just kind of want to give you an idea of the different reasons why it's a good reason to just go throughout. I'll end up unfriending all of these people. But let's just take a look here at some different reasons. Okay, so there you go, deactivated accounts. Deactivated for whatever reason. Once you have 4,000, you don't need those people in your friends list, okay? So you can go ahead and get rid of them and you can start to refresh them. Okay, so I'm going to just show you how we're going to do this. You don't want to do all of them at the same time. Remember, we just want to do a few. This right here there's 10 or 11 in each row. So when you're ready, you're just going to click right here where it says bye-bye. Okay. We're only removing 10 at a time. Okay. We don't want to red flag Facebook so that Facebook is saying, whoa, whoa, what's going on here? Let's shut this account down so that we can protect Zipporah. Okay. So that's not what we want to do. We want to just safely do this. And like I said, don't go ham on it. Don't do like 1,000 in one day. You know, periodically you want to come through here when you have some time to do this. And that's the way that you remove them. So simply those are gone. If I wanted to do some more, I can do the same thing. I'm clicking over here. These are all deactivated. I don't really think that Facebook is going to be tripping too much off of that anyways. So once again, it's that simple. And mind you, this one that I'm on is the free account. So you're able to do this with the free extension. Now, if you wanted to do more, all right, so I'm going to leave that go for now because that's like 20 people all of a sudden. I'm going to click on over here to the premium. Oh, I guess I am already a premium user. So I've probably been paying and don't even know. But anyway, so this gives you access if you wanted to do $20, $30 or elite. And I forget, these are one-time payments. So that's really cool. That's probably how I ended up being a premium member. So definitely $20. It gives you premium tools, 1 account, 2 accounts, or 3 accounts. They've definitely stepped their game up some, okay? So there I am, and there you guys are. Hopefully you got some value out of that. Like I said, it's really, really easy. There's other things you can use like the group scanner, pages scanner, interaction scanner. That's kind of cool too. When deleting your friends, you want to kind of take a look and see who's actually, you know, engaging with you. You know, these are some, let me move my little camera out of the way, guys. These are some people that are new. You can kind of see who's actually engaging with you, you know. And do you want to get rid of some of these people? Like this person's engaged 17 times. He's a keeper. You know, somebody down here coming in with 2, 1. So it's just really good pertinent information so that you can check on your audience as well as be able to, you know, gauge what needs to be changed. And like I said, you can do this safely. You can remove the friends the way that I just showed you. My only suggestion and advice to you guys is to definitely not to do like 500 friends at the same time, 1,000 friends at the same time. Just kind of periodically do it, you know, so that you're doing anywhere between maybe like 50 to 100 friends a week, I would say. And also refreshing that, of course. So once you lose these friends, you got to refresh it with the new. So that means you got to go back out on the scout and on the hunt to be accepting new friend requests and finding your target audience in different places. So once again, guys, as you can see, this thing takes forever. We are not going to be doing that today. Hopefully you got some value out of this. If you did, or if you have more questions, my contact information is down at the bottom of the video. I also do have a free private online social media marketing strategies, secrets and sauce group. I just changed the name. I'm always fudging that up. So be sure to check out for that link. Also, really exciting stuff. Just launched a new course. The Social Media Lead Blaster course is now available. That'll also be down in the bottom of the description. Really great information in there. Gives you a step-by-step framework of how to start utilizing your social media profile to start attracting, generating, and converting leads. So definitely want to check that out. And until the next video, guys, have a wonderful week.